Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk Zebec network. What's going on with Zebec network? We need to update you on the Zebec price. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Look, this is the weekly chart on Zebec. You can see this is a very important level here. That was our all-time high before the pump. Okay, kind of on the weekly closes, all-time high. Talking around the 27 area. Then you had the low here on the weekly close again on the 27. And now it's holding here above the 27. That's very important level, as you can see, and you can see the bounce he had from here, from the fake phony flash crash, crypto flash crash here back in October 10th. This is a very important level. You should have mark it on your chart. If it starts closing candles below that level, that's very bearish. That's extremely bearish. Let's look on the you can see it's holding the 50-week. Look at the 50-week MA, the beautiful 50-week MA, how it's holding the price. Again, if it starts closing below the 50-week, that's not gonna be good. Now, if you look on the candlesticks, you can see that this candle was a top intel, and here you have a top intel, but here you have a bottom intel, which is very conflicting. We're waiting for a trigger here. If it starts dumping below this level, that's gonna be bearish, and it could be a good short entry. I'm watching, but again, not so eager to short Zebec because frankly it's not really dumping hard. It's kind of showing strength, again. In the bounce here, you can see the bounce here. You had a very strong bounce from the lows, hit the 50-day MA, and now it's coming down again. You had a death cross, which is bearish. It is bearish again. We're not bullish on Zebec. Nothing like that. We didn't say we're bullish. We just give you a market update on the chart, the fact in the chart, what's happening. You can see this is the trend line here that you gotta break. If it cannot break that trend line, it is cooked. It's gonna go below. It's gonna go on a bear market. Okay. If it loses the 50-week MA, remember this level here. That's where the 50-week MA is. If it starts dropping below this level and stay below this level, it will trigger a bear market. Okay, when you lose the 50-week, you stay below the 50-week, it's bear market. That's how it is. Okay, that's how I roll anyway. This is you have a death cross. Look, it could be trying to bottom here. Let's see. We waited. But again, watch this level. If it's doing that, beautiful. If it's doing that, beautiful. You might get a breakout, and you might get a breakout of the downward trend. Can be. I'm keeping open mind for it. If it's happening, I'm definitely going long Zebec. But this is scenario 1. Scenario 2 is it's gonna fizzle and stay below and continue down. That's gonna invalidate your breakout and will send it down, probably to the lows, and eventually to lower lows, man, to fresh new lows. Let's look on the momentum. By the way, guys, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and get yourself Bitunix account. Where's my Bitunix account? Get yourself Bitunix account, man. Link below. That's the best exchange to short crypto. Subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell. We're doing live stream. We teach people how to short. You can short, man. You don't need to be holding rubbish scam coins into a recession. You're gonna lose all your money. Okay? We teach people. We give back to the YouTube people. Make sure to subscribe. We teach you strategies to profit and thrive in a bear market, while all the clowns you following, man, they're just getting you cooked day after day. You following them, and day after day, your account is shrinking and going down into wrecked city. And some point, you're gonna have to go work in McDonald's. So do yourself a favor. Stop following these clowns that got you wrecked. Follow us. Subscribe, cook the bell, and start learning trading, sir, because investing or hodling will get you fucked like you never even... Something bad, okay? Something bad will happen to you, really. Take my word, man. 2026 is gonna be hell bearish. Okay, now, this is the weekly chart. Look at the weekly chart, man, with the stochastic, okay? As long as you don't have a cross up, all right, here, above these 2 peaks, it is cooked. Cooked, man. Okay? There is nothing to be excited. You need the momentum up. Okay? You need the momentum going up. That was your bull run. Okay? That was your Zebec bull run. Up. Where is it? It's gone. Momentum. It's lost the momentum, man. It's lost the momentum. That was a one-time pump. Now it's in a bearish phase. Again, it still didn't trigger a bear market. If it loses that level, the 27-ish, and start closing below it, it would trigger a bear market. It's not going to be nice. It's not going to be nice. We're just warning you, man. Just warning you, man. You know, because some people, they're just going to hodl it all the way down, okay? Some people just going to hodl it all the way down, and they're going to keep holding it for years and years and years. While smart people are trading with stops, okay? Once it loses a major level, like the 50-week MA, they're out, okay? Once it closing below that, once it start dumping, once it getting a death cross, people have a sell signals, okay? You need to have your sell signals. You need to be accountable, man. You don't want to get, the market will cook you, man. It will humble you so bad, man. You have no idea what's coming. A bear market is coming, man. That's nothing. All right, so again, watch this level. Watch this level, man, and be careful. Really, you don't want to hodl. You know, people talking about financial freedom and generational wealth holding ZBCN or whatever fake coins or rubbish scam coins they've been holding and lied to. They live in a fairy tale. Don't be living in a fairy tale. You want to hold Zebec? Hold it once it trigger a bull run. It break that level, it will very likely trigger a bull run. It breaks that level, stay below that level. You don't want to hold it. You want to dump it as fast as you can because it will go to zero. Thank you guys for watching. Smash the like. If you want to come and trade with us, look, we've been printing. I'll show you a trade we took recently. Where is that trade? The Zcash short, okay, from November 27th. Look at that. We short the break below 469. It's easy to short, man. You don't need to be a genius. You join our membership. You watch 2 videos on how to short. Actually, 1 video. And you're good, man. Easy peasy, 3 minutes of your day. You short it. Look at that. Short the break below 469. Look at Zcash, man. While all the clowns on X and YouTube, the hodlers, are getting toast, cooked, losing everything, we're making money, man. Look at 469. That was our entry right here. Bam, Zcash, couple of days ago. Look at that. No time, 34% up in the money. You throw 10K, you're up 3-4. You throw 20K, you're up 6-8. Okay, you throw 100 Ks, you are up 34K and counting. We have runners, it's gonna keep printing, and if it's gonna bounce, we're gonna put our stop at break even. But we already realized beautiful, beautiful gains. Really, do yourself a favor, stop being a loser, man. There are so many losers out there. They all want you to be losers like them. All the clowns you're following on X and YouTube, they all go into wrecked city. They're gonna lose everything they have and some. You don't want to join them. Don't join them. Go to the other camp. Find a trading service that teach you how to short, how to manage risk, how to be professional. Give respect to the market. Respect the market. Be professional. Okay? Professional people, they treat the market professionally. Just like you go to the gym and you treat the gym, your workout professionally, or you go to your job, whatever, you are a salesman, or you are a bartender, whatever, or a CEO, you treat your company with professionalism, right? Treat the market, treat your wealth with professionalism. You're gonna be much more happy person in the long run than all the clowns and the baby boys that are going to be washed away from the planet of the earth. You will not see them after the bear market. This bear market gonna wipe out everybody you know on X and YouTube. Everybody. I'm telling you, man. I've been here in 2018, 2022. There is always 90% of people or content creators disappear, rage quit, and maybe 10, the big ones, survive and grow even more. All right? You'll see it for yourself. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Join CMVIP if you want to get all my trade alerts, my market updates, trading courses, anything. If you are a serious guy, trade with more than 50K, 100K and above, $1 million, join Elite VIP, book a call with me today. Let's start taking you to the next level. And if you want to join our bear market bootcamp, we happening tomorrow. Teach you everything you need to know about bear markets, how to trade, how to short, how to think like a bear or short seller. Join the bear market bootcamp. See you in the next one. Cheers.